All right, Clarine, it's time to go shopping for the hurricane.
Daddy, I'm scared. I don't want to be out here. I want to be at the house.
I know you're scared, but the hurricane doesn't start until an hour, so we gotta go.
Fine.
All right, it's time to get the shopping bag. Clarine, you could get one too.
Okay, Dad.
All right, we could start off by going over here. I think Mom's gonna make dinner before the hurricane comes, so let's just get all the ingredients we might need for it. I'm gonna get some crackers, more crackers. What else? What else should I get? Noodles? No. Definitely some deodorant, some spray. Hmm. How about some Coke? Cause I know my wife loves that. What else? Ooh, I love these potato chips. They're just so good. I got two of those. Let's go over here. I'll get Carson a donut. Cause when we go home, she's always asking for something. So, ooh, I gotta get some cereal. But the milk will go bad unless we'll find out how to do this, alright? And we'll just get some of this, some meat for the thing that my wife is cooking this tonight. Uh, so let's just start off by scanning everything, and then we'll just get into the bag and get ready to go.